What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Yes, you guys, I am right here where we left off, here in Dollar Tree, aka the Dollry location. You guys know the one. And here we are on the makeup aisle. I'm already seeing brand new items, perfect for gift baskets and stocking stuffers. No, stocking stuffers. You guys, these are definitely new. The Kiss. These are the gel polishes. Ooh, I like this green. That's really pretty. We have a pretty bright red. It's so pretty. I almost want to get it. Even though Kiss never stays on my nails, I really want to get it because I want to try it out. Oh, and I definitely need some nail polish remover. In my Dollar Tree / Family Dollar combo store, we're even finding nail polish removers from the Nouvelle brand. You guys know that's a brand we see here a lot. These are 6 ounces. I usually buy a big bottle. I don't know. I'm probably going to regret getting these here because they're super tiny. But I'm going to give it a try. You guys, make sure you tighten the lids. Both of my lids are super loose. Oh no. I mean really loose, you guys. Like, I think I'm gonna grab a different one. You do not want that spilling over in the car. Or maybe it's like a touch. It's like one of those twist and turn tops. Kind of like medication. That's definitely new. Okay, let's see what we have. I think I'm gonna have to get this. Yeah, I think I need it. Where do I put it though? I have my coat down here. I'll just stick it in there. It's like a little too hot for a coat, but it's just one of those days where it's like you feel like you need a coat, but then when you have it on, you're like too hot. Eco Tools, bamboo mini nail files. Those are definitely new. Cuticle remover. The most humongous eyelashes I've ever seen. In purple. And in silver. A facial ice roller. That would be a fun stocking stuffer. That would be a nice massage, wouldn't it? I would imagine that being a really nice massage, especially if you ever get sinus infections and you get that pressure in your face. That would feel really nice. And behind me, we have, what do we have over here? Ooh, pretty in pastels, like my nails today. Pretty in pastels. We have brand new lip balms from LA Colors. We have strawberry. We have mint. We have vanilla. Cute. They're calling this a marshmallow eye pencil to brighten your eyes. We have white, baby pink, yellow, green. They're calling it bee teal, and purple. And then we have some liquid liners in black, a eye marker, a liquid liner in metallic blue. We have a shimmer eye primer with a shimmer finish, a brown eye marker, a clear face primer. And then down here we have some more eye markers in black, brown, and blue. These look really cute though. The marshmallow eye pencils. I don't know which one is missing from here, but it's all gone. It looks like you get a whole lot of product. 0.07 ounces. I would have passed those up if I wouldn't have turned around to look at the dental stuff. Over here we have Enamel Health. We have Sensitive, 62% free. 54% free. We have Colgate Triple Action, 60% free. Ooh, my favorite is Crest Pro Health. 2 times more, you get 2.8 ounces. That's my all-time favorite toothpaste. To me, it kind of tastes like root beer, but good in like a dental sort of way. That's my favorite. Cotton Rounds. The brand is Simply Soft. It's a trial size, 30 in a pack. That's definitely new. We also have a hydrogen peroxide spray. That's my first time seeing that. We also have the large hydrogen peroxide, and we have the extra large sheer bandages. The brand is Coralite. They look like they would be really huge. They're comparing this muscle and joint gel to the active ingredient in Bengay Vanishing Scent Gel. This is definitely a new product. We also have a muscle rub, also comparing it to Bengay Vanishing Scent. This is 1.5 ounces. And then this one is 2 ounces. And then we also have a arthritis and muscle pain relief cream, 1.5 ounces. They're comparing this to the active ingredients in Zostrix. The only reason I'm showing all this is because recently I have been getting a few requests to show what Dollar Tree has for arthritis and muscle pain. I've probably gotten about 4 to 5 requests recently, so you guys know I wanted to help you out. Let's see if we have anything over here. I always like to look for name brand medications. We have a generic to Pedialyte down below. A few months back, we had the real deal. We had the actual, excuse me, honey. We had the actual Pedialytes, the same ones that we find in Walmart for like $3.86. Ooh, we have a whole new end cap here, you guys. So I'm gonna stop right here and ask for you guys to please come back and join me in the very next video. I'm gonna start right here and I'm gonna show everything on this end cap. Every single thing is brand new with the exception of the bath crystals. Everything else is brand new and I can't wait to share all of the details with you guys because these items look really cute. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that little button and subscribe and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.